Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Equinox headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a new H11 headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. You'll need to access the headlight assembly, which is secured by a few bolts. Safety first, so always double-check that the power is off before proceeding with any electrical work. Now let's get to removing the old headlight. You'll find two 10mm bolts on top of the headlight assembly. Use your ratchet and socket to remove these. Once those are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it will come out. This gives you clear access to the back of the bulb. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it away. With the old headlight assembly out, it's time to install your new bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new H11 bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise until it's securely locked. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place for a good connection. To finish up, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure it aligns properly. Reinstall the two 10mm retaining bolts you removed earlier and tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten. Test your new headlight to ensure it's working correctly before closing the hood. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.